This is a review of this watch. This is a Cadisen Automatic. The serial number is C-1032G. I'm not sure this makes any sense, but this is written in the back of this watch, and you will find this in Aliexpress. In a previous video, I showed the accuracy of all my watches, mechanical watches, which are 3, and this is the best of all, and with an accuracy close to 0.1 seconds per day. You can see this in this watch check here in the bottom, an average of 0.1 seconds per day. What are the main features? You have all stainless steel 316L, both in the bracelet, the body. You have sapphire crystal, so this is much more harder than glass. This cannot be scratched by anything unless diamond or something with a hardness higher than 9 in the Mohs scale. So you can just scratch it try to scratch it with tools, but no scratch will be done in this sapphire. Then you have a display back. This is not sapphire, this is regular glass, so this could be scratched easily, but I will not try it. And you see here the movement. This is the strong point of this watch. This is an NH36A. This is from Seiko. This is not labeled as Seiko because Seiko labels only Seiko calibers, the ones that are made to be put in their own watches. So this would be the Seiko 4R36A. But when Seiko sells this to other parties like Cadisen, they label it as NH36A. These are 24 joule movement, 21,600 beats per hour, and it has the Seiko DiaShock shock protection. So if we look closely here, we can see the auto works moving here with the. It works with I think it's called the magic pin lever, which is a much simpler design compared to the reversing wheels that usually we see in the Swiss brands like Rolex or ETA. And here on the other side we see the balance wheel here. Yes, here, with the DiaShock system, the small pink jewel. And we also have the date, which is displayed now in Chinese. It's number 2 in the left. If we pull the crown out one position, we change the date. Turning up or clockwise will change the day of the week, like so. Wednesday, Thursday, etc. Both Chinese and English. Sunday, Monday, and I go back to Tuesday in Chinese, which is R. And then we have the date, which is 14 now, and to change it we have to turn it counterclockwise, like so. And it has a very nice click, and it's quite fast, so I can go through the month quite quickly. 14th, and I push it back. It's also hacking, so if we pull the crown to the 3rd position, so it's the time setting position, the seconds will hack, will stop. It's very useful to set this in a very precise time, and particularly in this model, because it's very close to 0, I never use this function. I mean, because the accuracy is very close to 0 seconds per day, I really wear this watch for 1 or 2 weeks without touching this. But in case you imagine it's gaining like 2-3 seconds over the official time, you just pull this out, wait 2 or 3 seconds, and push it again. Now I will show you compared to this, which is radio controlled. It means this clock here, it updates every day with a atomic clock, which is in Germany. So this time is very accurate. It gives less than 1 second of the official time. So, and you can see 15, 16, 17. Now this mechanical watch is perfectly on time. It's less than 1 second away from the atomic official civil time. And I think I went through most of the features. We have some Genève perlage here, which is decoration. We also see an inscription behind, which is 5 atmospheres, water resistance. Here and we have a brushing, quite nice business-like German look, and a very shiny polish outside, which can be scratched very easily. And I think overall that's everything we can say about this watch. It's a very reliable, accurate movement. The precision is not as good as accuracy. If we look at this app, we see that some days it gains 0.2 seconds, 0, +1, -1, but in average, this 1 month of measuring, it's at plus 0.1 second per day. And I had this watch for 1 year now, so I can say this is it's running like strongly in these values every month. So it's very accurate, quite cheap. It's around €45 in Aliexpress. And I think if you only have one watch for using in the office, this is quite a good value for the money, because it's using a Seiko heart. It's all stainless steel, sapphire, and quite precise. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.